Hello, hello, hello. Sending you all lots of love. Hello. Nice to see you, my girls. Yes, you are all so beautiful. All the healing. All the healing to you. I wouldn't put your face there, sweetheart. So beautiful day today. I hope everyone's enjoying and experiencing and practicing the moment of now, being conscious. Consciously breathing, consciously walking, consciously being aware of all beings around us. Hey, you guys are so amazing. You're feeling better. You look much better than the last time I saw you. Wonderful job. Yes. No more depressions. No. Thank you for your service to the humanity. When you are living in the present moment of now, the depression is actually not even possible, because really depression is when you lose your self within your thoughts of past, and anyone who's experiencing anxiety is usually because we are worried or we fearing the future. So again, we are lost in the future, so we lost our consciousness up there. It's not even reality yet. So where we are right now, right here, what's around us, grounding ourselves, going into the nature and connecting with animals, with all the plants, all the kingdoms of Gaia, and all the multidimensional kingdoms of our universe. Planet Earth has many different dimensions, but it doesn't stop here only. So looking after ourselves, being loving, kind, and gentle to ourselves, and practicing a moment of now. You are multidimensional divine being, so even though you are maybe in 3D jobs, being consciously conscious in that reality, it's not always easy. Hey, what's the matter up there? So it's not easy when we become distracted from the external environment. Oh, is there something itchy up there? It's not easy when lots of healing, sweetheart. Yeah, make yourself feel better. Good girl. So it's not easy when we are exposing ourselves first subconsciously, because really everything happening for a reason, and there is a specific process that you are going subconsciously first, and then you will consciously recognize it, but maybe in a few years even. Hey, is that true? Yeah. Poor girl. Itchy baby, itchy. So those smart beings, smart beings that many of you are having for dinners, they are really divine beings. They are very intelligent beings, and they're providing great service to our planet Earth, as you see. Yes, by regenerating the grounds. Yeah, as well. I mean, humanity used their milk for so long, and creating cheese and all this stuff. So let's be grateful. And some of you still eat meat, but I hope that one day you will realize and you truly understand where the meat came from, and that those are being souls as well. All animals are being souls, and zero judgments. They know, they serve, they have their job and responsibilities like everyone else, right? Like everyone else. Yes, you too. You're so beautiful. The other one decided to go back. Oh, healing, honey. And anyone who grew up around animals, and yes, I know. Anyone who grew up around animals, and we have been programmed to eat you. We have been programmed to eat you. I'm so sorry. Yeah, but many of us are awakening now, and we are also eating what's much more healthy for us, like you guys, eh? You need a specific living conditions. Excellent. Good girls. So please forgive us, the humanity. You know, we are awakening. Yes, we are awakening. It's about time, eh? Is it? Is it about time? Yeah. What do you think? Is it about time that humanity awakens, that we recognize who we truly are, and that we are here to protect you animals, because we are more conscious and we can make that conscious decisions, because, you know, you're so innocent and vulnerable. How can you protect yourself? Hey, I know. Look at you, beautiful. So let's forgive them all here and now. May they all awaken within very soon. Yes, very soon. And thank you for serving us. Thank you for giving us all the food and everything. You guys are amazing. You came here to sacrifice your life here for humanity as well. Same like many are children's. Yeah, many of the souls are placed in very difficult situations and homes where they are very vulnerable behind the closed doors, when their wounded parents treating them horrible. So and you know, that's just the beginning, what happening on all levels, and missing children, and you know, the organ donors and all the sex slavery that's happening in a 3D. Those children are agents. They are angelic agents, and they are aware. They know. They also know that their life, you know, is just their mission to reveal of. It's all divine plan, guys. All divine plan. I know it's not easy to accept it, but there are many of us are working together with those children. We are telepathically communicating, and many crimes are being exposed. Maybe not as publicly, because it's not still on a deepest level. You get little bits and pieces, but we don't leave the children behind. There are many people who are working on bringing the missing children back home, and healing and assisting them, and astral realms, and there's so much happening on all multidimensional levels. You are so powerful. Your energies, focus on your energies. When you stop absorbing the energies of others, you're becoming truly more grounded, and you're becoming the self-masters that you're supposed to be, that you came here to be. So thank you for spending some afternoon with me, ladies. I love you so much. Everybody's so hungry. Hey? So enjoy your supper. Be well, and I see you next time. Namaste. Love you all. Blessings.